How to use the hands-free liftgate and program the liftgate height on your GM vehicle. Ensure the key fob is on your person and within 3 feet of the vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with the projection logo, it will automatically turn on as you get within 6 feet of the rear of the vehicle. Kick straight over the logo or the sensor for older vehicles. Don't kick too fast nor too slow. Ensure you're kicking in a straight line and not side to side or in a sweeping motion. Although from my experience, it'll probably work. Your foot should be within 5 inches of the bottom of the bumper. After giving you time to step away, the liftgate will open while flashing lights and sounding a chime. You can also close the liftgate using this method. To program the height of the liftgate on your vehicle, open the liftgate to the max height by pressing the button inside the vehicle. Once the liftgate is open, place the switch into the 3/4 setting. Get out of the vehicle and manually move the liftgate into the max position you would like it to open. Press and hold the power liftgate button at the rear of the vehicle for 3 to 4 seconds. The lights will flash and a chime will sound alerting you that the setting is now programmed. Hopefully you have successfully learned how to use the liftgate system in your GM vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions on future video topics, leave that on the comment section below and I'll make sure to read them. And if you're new, make sure to check out some of the other content on the channel and subscribe if you find it interesting. So with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one.